come inside and for the project we are going to do, you need what? A 12 volt water pump. And we cited an example that if someone is going to
It's used to pump the water out.
okay, I did mention that we are going to use a specific volt for the pump. Flowing to the device is very high. It will destroy the device. So the relay steps it down to the required amount of voltage the device needs to perform.
It is called a stabilizer. So why do we call it stabilizer? When the power goes up, it's so these are our students of the month. Okay, so you have the advantage. First of all, I'll ask